This is Sotally Tober. I'm Jack. Today we're gonna make a gingerbread house. Ho ho ho. Today we're gonna be making a gingerbread house. So what you wanna do? It hurts to breathe. For starters, you get a big enough gingerbread house for many gingerbread people to live in. Wherever you buy it, just make sure that they're to code. We want to start with probably just the side walls. This is just your icing. This is your glue. I think it's gonna eventually harden. Well, it's so bad. What I'm drinking, this is, what the fuck is this called? Oh my God, yeah, it's eggnog. I legitimately completely forgot that for a second. I could not, it was not in my mind. You're gonna wanna glue, we're gonna put the front of the house on. Boom. Just glue it, the ground, dude. This is impossible. This glue blows. Oh, that's perfect, look at that. Can you get a shot of that? That's pretty good. Yeah, I'm a construction worker in my free time. No. Okay, so now we're gonna get this. Guys, this is great. Look at this. Doing the same exact thing, just fucking get a nice layer going. You know those mission strips? I'm saving one gingerbread family today. This icing is just not wanting to come out. Oh no! Oh God. Okay, so we gotta put a lot of something right there because there's already a lot of glue. What to put there? This is half the fun, guys. When you're making a house, does it ever really go to plan? No one knows what they're doing when they're making a house. A gingerbread house. All right, here we go, right there. That's fine for now. I wanna get the back on. Guys, I haven't even gotten to the fun part. This is pretty disgusting. This is fucking all over my hands right now. I don't like it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, listen. I need to use new icing. That's the problem. That's fucking disgusting. I hate that that's the only drink I have right now. Fuck! Look at this. Look at this. Okay, a world without color is a boring world. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every piece of this is gonna be glued down. I swear if this doesn't work, I'm gonna frickin' ask you guys for screws. Oh my underpants, dude. Look at that. It's actually fucking staying. Oh my God, dude. Stay. Let's get a new color. What color is this? It's red. It kind of tastes like Play-Doh. As a kid, did you guys ever eat Play-Doh? Are we sure this is edible? It literally doesn't taste that way. Oh God, no. Okay, so roof 1, roof 2. This doesn't fit. These are too small. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, be prepared. You have to make adjustments. Oh my God, dude. You can't see this side, but it exploded on the back. Oh! Now, when you put the roof on, you want to make sure you just line it because it's probably gonna fall like everything else. My hands are disgusting right now. Also wear gloves. Oh man, this is beautiful. Okay, boom! I can't believe that stayed. What the hell? It's so gross, but I'm so thirsty. If this falls completely because of this last piece, I'll show you what a gingerbread garbage pile looks like. That'll be fun. Oh yeah. Ba-boom, dude. Now, moving on to the people. Look at these little guys. They gotta get in here. So, oh my gosh, look at all of these things we have. Guys, I forgot. I completely forgot. Let's make a door. Surprisingly, worked crazy well. Look at that. He's totally gonna fit through that. What do you think this is? Like, this is just like this is a scene. This is blood. This is like a murder scene. Look, he's got blood on him too. Oh, he got beat up. This got dark really fast. This got kind of dark. Well, we can make the other side a little happier. Honestly, I love this piece so much that I have to glue it to the front. Tagging's illegal, guys. This is so cool! Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Actually, thoroughly excited about this. Do I have to finish this whole thing? Oh my. Is that a Bud Light line? I'm not thirsty anymore. Let's get back to this house. Fucking beautiful house. My roof is falling, so what you could do if your roof falls, you can finger paint. Look at that, that's beautiful. Do we have a side camera angle of how well this is gonna turn out? So difficult. It's like these pieces don't line up. They're too long. So now that your structure is up, you wanna start adding decorations. So I was blessed with apparently edible spray paint, so when you guys have that at home, you just do this. Tree, number 1. So this circle, we're gonna use it as a propping tool. I can't believe that worked. Look at this guy, or lady, who am I to judge? Very fat. Is this the Pillsbury Doughboy? Oh, this is Santa? I mean, this is Santa. Let's make him look more like Santa. And he would be like on the roof, right? Oh no, this might have been a poor choice. Oh no. I don't think there's enough glue in the world to save this. Let's add these things. If we glue these in place. Check it out, guys. Take your decorations. Use them as stoppers. Check this shit out. Boom. Totally worked. Oh my God. Santa's fat ass destroyed this fucking house. Oh my God. Hold on, wait. I have a solution. Oh man. Don't want to do this. It needs to be shorter. Now, this wall is shorter. Don't be afraid to get your mouth in there, though. There's so much icing on that. Can I have paper towels? I am not going to lick my fingers clean. Oh, thank you. It's sugary, so it like dried instantly. And now it's just stuck and sticky to my hands. Moving on. Listen, this is gonna work so much better. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, but the catch is, how do you get the roof to stay up without sliding? I think you need less icing. Dun, 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 dun. Guys, this is it. Yep, we're good. Cool. Guys, I'm so fucking creative. Cool. Yes. Christmas. Oh, I immediately fucked up. Damn it. Fuck. Decorated. Oh wait, I have an idea. Fucking, this is the coolest shit, dude. Who thought of this? This is so cool. Oh, I got it on me. Oh my God, Santa is still in the house. Fuck! That looks fun. This is dirt. It's like a front lawn. Time to use up all of the fucking candy. Oh man, I have such a good idea. Wow. No. Fuck! Man, this is gonna be tedious if I do every single one. You get the idea. They're lights. Then we gotta do one on the other side. Hurry. No. Good thing we don't have any earthquakes here. Oh my God. Oh God. And that's how you make a gingerbread house. 3 keys to success. Like really sticky icing. A lot of it. A lot of really sticky icing. Like a good attitude to push you through, to hopefully get you to a built house. And then gingerbread. Duh. Yeah. You have to have gingerbread to make a gingerbread house.